Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shopping comes at an expense, but if you could save some money while shopping online, then why not? Because money saved is money earned. Over the past few years of me shopping, I have learned some hacks that I would love to share with you guys. So keep on watching for some tips and tricks on how to save money as well as make money while shopping online. The first trick is to use coupons. My mailbox is filled with advertisements as well as these kind of coupons always, so I use them. Of course, then there are online coupons and also coupons that I email to you. Some places allow you to use multiple coupons. In such cases, use them strategically. This is an example to show you how I use it. Let's say you're shopping at Bed Bath & Beyond for $100 and you have two coupons. One is the 20% off and the other is a $20 off a $75 purchase. In such cases, I would use the 20% off first and then use the $20 off, which brings my total to $60. Whereas if I did it the other way around, it would be $64. So just make use of them strategically, like I said, so you could save a lot more money. I always feel finding coupons can be a task, especially in your regular email where everything gets messed up and can be a junk. So having a separate email for all your shopping needs can make life easier. Pretty much every store asks for it these days anyway, so just create one because you have nothing to lose. It's free. So here is a peek into my email that is exclusively used for my shopping needs. If you look closely into it, all you see is coupons, newsletters, and everything that is related to shopping. Also, download apps like Retail Me Not for searching coupons by retailers. The next is to look out for dynamic pricing. Every single search that we make online is being watched, or rather tracked. So the way I work around this is to first log out of all my accounts. Then I go into my history, go to clear browsing data, then clear my cookies and cache first. Then I open a new incognito window before I start any kind of search. This holds good especially for airline tickets, because the more you search, the more you're being tracked, so going incognito always helps. The next is not to be an impulsive shopper. In short, don't rush. If you're not in a hurry to buy something online, then just put the item in the cart and walk away. Yes, it does work. The trick here is to have an account with the retailer. Here's an example using my Amazon account. I always have something or the other in my cart to buy. So as soon as I log in and go into the cart, a notification message appears right on top, indicating all the price changes. Like you see, some products decrease and some increase as well. Here is another instance. I have already purchased this diffuser, but since it's still lying in my cart, there's a price drop. If you see the top right corner, it'll show you the price I have bought it for already. It's a good $1, $2 difference, which is well worth it. These are some of my wishlist items that are not in the cart that have been there forever, and you see there are some major price changes here as well. The fourth one is having extensions or add-ons. Use browser add-ons. I have Honey, PriceBlink, and Wikibuy. These add-ons just help you compare all the prices over the internet and give you the best that's available. I think Honey and Wikibuy also gives you coupon codes. I'm not sure about PriceBlink. I don't use it that much, but I for sure know that Honey and Wikibuy does give you coupon codes and automatically puts in codes while you're checking out as well. Another example, I'm moving this item from my saved list on Amazon to my cart first. As soon as I do it, you see Wikibuy turns on and gives me the list of prices from different retailers. And then Honey tells me if it's the best deal available for the product in the last 30 days. If there have been any price changes, it'll detect that as well. You can also add a product into Honey's drop list and can specify the amount for you to get alerts on it. So the minute the price drops below the number you have specified, you will get notified. I think it's a pretty sweet deal. This is how Wikibuy and Honey automatically test for coupon codes whenever you're ready to check out. I saved the best for the last. Ebates is an amazing extension to have that gives you cash back every time you make a purchase online. All you have to do is activate it while you're buying through the site and the cashback is sent directly into your account. WinWin. And yes, I have proof to show you that this works. This is my big fat check for an amount of $9.79, which is not much when you think about it, and these are all for the purchases I made last month. But if you're a big purchaser, you can get big chunks of these back into your account. This extension tells you the total cash you have earned and also the cash back that is pending on your account. A great way to earn cash back on your mundane purchases is to order online and pick up in store. It also gives you a list of all the associated retailers that are linked to Ebates. This sums up all the tips and tricks that I had to share. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video gave you insights on how you can save some money as well as make some money while you're shopping online. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you all very soon.